G'day, it's Jonathan here from Dawson Heating and Cooling. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you have a problem with your Actron split system. So you may notice on the front of the Actron split system, you normally have a temperature displayed on the front of the panel. If the system's not working properly and you see a code displayed on that panel, that generally tells us that there's a problem with the system. So in this example, an E1 code tells us what the problem is. We can then actually attempt to reset the system. To reset the system, we want to go to the outdoor unit, and if there is an isolator on the wall, we want to turn that isolator off. By turning that isolator off, leave it off for about 30 seconds, that will reset the fault if it's only a nuisance fault. You can also go to your switchboard if you don't have an isolator, and you can turn the power off at your switchboard. If the fault is more serious and it does not reset after turning the power off and back on again, you'll need to actually contact your service agent. When you ring them, tell them that the fault code on the system is an E1, they'll come out, diagnose and repair the system for you. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.